Hello everyone and welcome back to another Vlogmas 2020 episode. Today we are decorating the tree, and by we I mean me, because my family knows that I am a bit of a control freak and they just let me do the tree. Also, my kids are older, so having those little moments of like decorating the tree together just doesn't really happen in our house. That's just the reality. So I've actually still got studio lights up. Let me move my camera. Studio lights up from actually filming some other stuff for Vlogmas, so those might stay up, but they also might get in the way. But let me show you guys the tree that we have right now. All right, so this is our tree. I want to say it's like 7 or 8 feet tall. It is a pre-lit tree, but if you have been following me over on Instagram, then you know all the drama with this tree. There's even a part right down there that still does not have lights. So I actually had to add some lights to this pre-lit tree. It just it is what it is. It was kind of a pain to try and figure out where the lights had gone out. And you can kind of see like this band of lights right here. And it's also one of those things that only if I point it out do you actually notice it. But there's a chunk of lights right there that I kind of need to separate and just spread out a little bit more. But we definitely want to get this tree decorated. So let me show you guys what I am working with. All right, so these are our ornaments. I guess you can say I have a style that's sort of a bit rustic. I'm not sure. There's the clamp for the star for our tree, but I like sort of these like wooden ornaments and like the little stuffed ornaments that are super cute, and the knitted ones. I really like those. Yeah, and this is just the style we have gone with for several years, and it's just worked. Every year I kind of don't necessarily put everything that's in these 2 boxes on the tree, but a lot of times I really do like to have it on the tree because it looks really cute. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is how the tree looks completely decorated with the lights off. And here it is with the lights on. I think that it turned out great. However, I know myself, I'm probably going to fidget with this tree from now through Christmas easily. Like, I still need to fix those lights. I tried fixing them a little bit earlier and it's just, they're all bunched up right there. So hopefully I can fix it. I haven't put every single ornament on the tree that I wanted to, but I kind of just want to let this one be for right now. Just leave this tree alone and see how it looks, and how maybe I want to move some things around. That's just how I am with the Christmas tree. But I did kind of want to share some of my favorite ornaments with you guys. I think I did this last year too, but this one I absolutely love. Jesse got this while he was still in the Army, and it's just an Army like aviation helmet. He wasn't aviation, but he was aviation support. So I think he got that from the unit when he was there. This little festive llama is from one of my planner friends. And then I got this one from Chrissy Ann Designs a couple of years ago. It is one of my all-time faves. I need to find a spot for it. It is definitely going on our tree. And then some of my other faves are like these ones down here. These are all from Target. I tend to buy my ornaments after Christmas when they're nearly like 70% off. This one's also from Target. It is a favorite of mine. Just like these ones right here, these metallic snowflakes with the little bells inside, also my favorite. And I love like all of the plush style ornaments. I really, really like those, and I think it adds to the sort of rustic vibe that I've got going on here. Of course, this one right here is my favorite. It's just a large metal G. It was actually on a wreath that was gifted to us several years ago from some really good friends, and we decided to keep the G and always have it at the top of our tree. All right, that is it for today's tree decorating vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed spending this time with me today. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're already subscribed, make sure that you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. I post videos every single day throughout the month of Vlogmas. All right, everyone, I will see you in my next video. Bye.